Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Devidas Nikam. So today's date is 7th January 2022. So I'm going to explain on today's topic hashcode in a Java programming language. So what is a hashcode and what is the purpose of hashcode and how can retrieve the hashcode and object and how to generate the hashcode and object. So firstly I can explain the what is hashcode. So, firstly, hashcode is also used to the Java programming language, and hashcode is mostly used in a collection framework in hashcode use. So, firstly, hashcode is a integer value to associate with the object in a Java programming language. Then hashcode is mainly used to the perform the hashing in a hash table. So it's used to the hash code. So hashing is a process of converting the object into the integer and integer value, and using this integer value we can calculate the index to store the object element in a hash table. So hash table is a object are stored by using the hash code. So hash code is used to the hash code is used to the in a integer represent the internal address of object, and another one is a hash code is a different form one object to the another object, and hash code can act as a identify only for object. So hash code is a most important part of a collection framework. So collection framework is also store only objects, and used to the hash code is a hash map, and hash set is also available in a hash code. So hash code is using the hashing table, and another one is what is a hash code is a written hash code is a written the hash code and given the example. So hash code there are hash code method, and another one is hash code method. So firstly I can explain the hash code in a method Java programming language. So integer class which can be determine the hash code, and given integer. So its hash code is override the class object and class object. So this method is return the random integer that unique of each instance, and another one is a hash code in a integer. So hash code is a integer in a inbuilt in a Java integer classes and main method class methods which determine the hash code for the given int value. So it's used to the compatible to the integer dot hash code. So firstly hash code is also used to so next point is what is the purpose of hash code in Java programming language. So hash code is also used to store and remove search map and set collection object. So it's a example of hash set and hash map is also internally used to the hashing, and another one is how to retrieve the hash code object. So hash code object is also retrieve the method and object classes. So another one is how to generate the hash code object. So it's to generate the hash code object is we can override you can override the hash code method of object class. hash code is used to the return the hash code value from this object and equal to the primitive int value represent the integer object. So it's called as a hash code. So hash code is a int value is also return the hash code is a int value and represent the specified method and argument. So it's used to the hash. So next one is a Java string hash code in used to the Java programming language. So it's a Java string hash code method to return the hash code from the string. And hash code number of object memory address to generate from the any object. So it's not a just a string. This is a number is used to the store and retrieve the object is quickly in a hash table. So it's a syntax of string hash code method, and is a string. String is also a hash code method. So it's all about the hash code. So thank you for watching video.